This is Go Math, Grade 4. Go Math, Grade 4, Unit 2, Multiply by one digit. This is Lesson 2.12, Solve multi-step problems using equations. All right, boys and girls, we are skipping page 131. We will begin our lesson on page 132. But first, I want to go over with you the order of operation. The order of operation is a special set of rules that give the order in which calculations are done in an expression. First, you multiply or divide from left to right. Then you add or subtract from left to right. All right, turn to page 132 in your workbook. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to work these problems out together. I want to make sure that you're comfortable with using the order of operation before I let you do some of these problems on your own. So again, the order of operation is a special set of rules that give the order in which calculations are done in an expression. First, you multiply and divide from left to right, then you add and subtract from left to right. So if we look at this problem, 3 times 64 plus 2 times 16 minus 78 equals n. Well, they told us we have to do our multiplication first. Okay, so 3 times 64 is 192. Now I just filled out the equation. 192 plus 2 times 16 minus 78 equals n. Okay? Now here's the second multiplication. 2 times 16 is 32. So 192 plus 32 minus 78 equals n. Now it said you add and subtract. So I add 192 and 32, which is 224, minus 78 equals n. N equals 146. Okay? All you have to do is just think, multiply, multiply, add, then subtract. All right, so let's look at this one. It says use the order of operation to find the value of n. 5 times 17 plus 5 times 20 minus 32 equals n. It says first, multiply 5 times 17. That's 85. Okay, 85 plus 5 times 20 minus 32 equals n. Next, multiply 5 times 20. 5 times 20 right here is 100. 100 plus, or 85 plus 100 minus 32 equals n. Then add the two products. 85 plus 100 is 185 minus 32 equals n. Now, finally, subtract to find n. 185 minus 32 equals 153. That is n. All right, we're going to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 together, and I have a special way that I taught myself how to do this. So let's look at question number 2. All right, make sure you fill this in as we're doing the problem, okay? 3 times 22 plus 7 times 41 minus 24 equals n. Look what I did. This is my first step. This is my second step. Then I add, then I subtract. All right, first, multiply 3 times 22. That's 66. 66 plus 7 times 41 minus 24 equals n. Okay, I just went right back up here and wrote that in the equation. Next, multiply 7 times 41. 7 times 41 is 287. So I would say 66 plus 287 minus 24 equals n. All right, now we've done both of our multiplication. Now we have to add. Then add the two products. Well, 66 plus 287 is 353. So it would be 353 minus 24 equals n. Finally, subtract to find n. 353 minus 24 is 329. N equals 329. All right? All it was is step by step by step. I multiplied, I added, I subtracted. All right, let's look at number 3. 4 times 34 plus 6 times 40 minus 66 equals n. First, multiply 4 times 34. That's 136. So we would write 136 plus 6 times 40 minus 66 equals n. Next, multiply 6 times 40. That's 240. 136 plus 240 minus 66 equals n. Now, add the two products. 136 plus 240 is 416. 416 minus 66 equals n. Finally, subtract to find n. 416 minus 66 equals 310. N equals 310. All right, boys and girls, make sure you're writing these out, okay? You're going to eventually have to do these on your own, so you need some models to have to show you how to do it. So make sure you're writing these out so that you have something to go back and look at. All right, here we go. Number 4. 2 times 62 plus 8 times 22 minus 53 equals n. 2 times 62 is 124 plus 8 times 22 minus 53 equals n. 124 plus 176, that's 8 times 22, minus 53 equals n. Now I add these two. 124 and 176 is 300, minus 53 equals n. 300 minus 53 equals 247. N equals 247. Make sure that you write this down. All right, let's look at 5. 6 times 13 plus 9 times 34 minus 22 equals n. 6 times 13 is 78 plus 9 times 34 minus 22 equals n. 9 times 24 is 306. Or I'm sorry, 9 times 34 is 306. 78 plus 306 minus 22 equals n. Take these two, add them together. 384 minus 22 equals n. 384 minus 22 equals 362. N equals 362. I've given you plenty of models, and hopefully you have written them down so that you can go back and see how you did this. I want you to do 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own, okay? Stop the video, do 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. When you've finished, let's check your work. All right, let's check. 8 times 42 plus 3 times 59 minus 62 equals n. N equals 451. If you did not get that right, go back and do it again. 6 times 27 plus 2 times 47 minus 83 equals n. N equals 173. Boys and girls, if you did not get these right and you're in my class, you need to contact me and I will give you some individual help. All right? All right, number 8. Maggie has 3 binders with 25 stamps in each binder. She has 5 binders with 24 baseball cards in each binder. If she gives 35 stamps to a friend, how many stamps and cards does she have left? She has 160 stamps and cards left. First, you had to find out 3 binders with 25. Then you had to find 5 with 24. Then you had to subtract it by 35 to get 160. Let's look at number 9. Maddox has 4 boxes with 32 marbles in each box. He has 7 boxes with 18 shells in each box. If he gets 20 marbles from a friend, how many marbles and shells does he have now? Well, he has 274 marbles and shells. 4 boxes with 32 marbles, 4 times 32. 7 boxes with 18 shells, 7 times 18, plus 20, 274. Look at number 10. The soccer team sells 54 bagels with cream cheese for $2 each and 36 muffins for $1 each during a bake sale. The coach uses the money to buy socks for the 14 players. The socks cost $6 each pair. How much money does the coach have left? Explain how you found your answer. Well, you have to see, you have to go 54 times 2 and then 36 times 1. Okay? Find out how much that is. Then you have to go 14 times 6 and subtract that from that total. So, first I found the total for selling the bagels and cream cheese. 2 times 54 is 108. Then I found the total amount raised for selling muffins. 1 times 36 is 36. I added the 108 and plus 36 equals 144. I'm sorry, that 2 shouldn't be there. I added the 108 plus 36 equals 144. Then I found the cost of the socks for each player. 6 times 14 is 84. Finally, I subtracted the socks from the total amount. 144 minus 84 is 60. All right, we are skipping page 134. We are finally at our practice and homework for lesson 212. You have page 135 and 136. My class, please make sure you take a snapshot of it and send it to me. My class, don't forget that this will go in the grade book. And that's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel at awesomepossumclassroom 451. If you would like these worksheets, email me at awesomepossumclassroom@gmail.com and I can send you the link. Have a great day.